Hello viewers, my name is Anil Chopra. I am the CEO of Bajaj Capital Limited. We are a 45-year-old company. Our business is primarily financial planning and investment advisory. Our main aim is to guide our clients as where, when and how to invest their money. This was our mission when we started in 1965 and our mission still remains the same. Another mission that we have is to create crorpatis in the country. So we have taken up a challenge and an oath to create 1 crore crorpatis in India by giving them valuable advice in the times to come. Friends, we have recently started a concept of wealth cafe, which we are putting up in upcoming high-tech shopping malls. So we have started one in Noida in Delhi, where we invite the shoppers to walk into our wealth cafe for a quick discussion with our financial planners over a cup of coffee in a relaxed atmosphere as to what are their future goals, what are their financial concerns, and how we can help them achieve them. Friends, financial planning is a concept which is catching up in the whole world, which is a holistic approach towards your life goals, including retirement, children education, children marriage, and also taking care of your health insurance and other needs. Wealth creation remains number one goal for all citizens, and that one can achieve only if one is financially literate. So another objective which our company has is to create a financially literate society by imparting as much investor education as we can. And our today's endeavor in Hyderabad, in this hotel Taj Deccan, is also the same, where we have invited some 50-60 of our clients with their friends, where we would be sharing with them wealth creation strategies in the current market scenario, so that we all learn from each other and become financially literate and financially free to take hold of our future and to understand what our goals and needs are going to be and how we can achieve them comfortably with the help of some strategies, very simple strategies like investing with discipline, investing with asset allocation, and also diversifying our investments in various asset classes like real estate, equity markets, debt market, even gold and bullion, etc. So that is our aim, and we seek your blessings and your good wishes so that we can continue on this path.